Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we make creating and selling online courses simple and stress-free. Today we're diving into the ultimate showdown, Teachable versus Kajabi. If you're trying to decide which platform is right for your online course or digital product, stick around. I've got you covered. Alright, let's break it down. We'll look at three key areas: pricing, features, and ease of use. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, pricing. Teachable is known for being budget friendly. Their basic plans start at just $39 per month, and you can get started with a free plan if you don't mind transaction fees. Kajabi, on the other hand, starts at $149 per month. While it's pricier, it includes more all in one tools like email marketing and website hosting. So, if you're just starting out, Teachable might be easier on the wallet, but if you need a full suite of tools, Kajabi could save you time and money in the long run. Now let's talk features. Teachable is perfect for course creators who want a straightforward platform for building and selling courses. It's simple, intuitive, and gets the job done. Kajabi, though, is like the Swiss Army knife of course platforms. You've got courses, emails, campaigns, landing page, memberships, the whole nine yards. It's ideal if you want to scale your business and keep everything under one roof. Finally, ease of use. Teachable is very user friendly, even for beginners. Its drag and drop builder makes creating courses a breeze. Kajabi, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve because of all the features it offers, but once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly robust. So, which one should you choose? If you're just starting out or want a budget friendly option, Teachable is a fantastic choice. But if you're ready to scale and want an all in one solution, Kajabi is worth the investment. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.